Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Nerf Wolf here, and we're doing a
Nerf War.
Nerf War
Get over here.
with
We've got
Josh,
the rules, standard airsoft
the
rules.
retard.
If you
Come
hit,
check out my channel, I'm a Clipscraft for the win.
Don't check out his channel.
if you
And I'm just kidding, guys. Make sure you subscribe to his channel.
Shut up.
Subscribe to Oscar's.
Oscar's Nerf World. Nerf N1205, my channel. Subscribe to me as well.
And then Matthew.
Yeah, okay. He doesn't have a channel because he's sad, but yeah, okay.
Okay.
I've got. So the rules are airsoft rules. If you get hit, guys, put your hand up, say hit. 3 hits is a kill. Once you've been hit, 15 seconds. 15 seconds respawn. You can't run. Or
And then explain to the viewers what you have to do to when you been hit.
When you've been hit,
you stand still with your hand
walk
up.
along
No, you don't
with
need
your
to-
hand
well, yeah,
arm
and
up in
you
the
can't-
air.
Someone can't camp and shoot you when you get your
No,
respawn
they
time.
can't. You can't
If you
spawn
have a
kill.
shot, you need to run away.
They can't spawn kill.
So you two, your base is over that side of the pond. Us three stay.
And by the
here,
way, no, one more rules: no face or ball hitting.
yeah. Oh guys, actually, our base is over the other side of the pond.
Yeah.
Josh, let's get ready to run, yeah.
Okay. Wait.
Well, we've
First
got,
thing,
5 minute
explain
respawn,
to the viewers what guns you're using.
I'm
So
using a
Josh is using Nerf Strong Arm
I'm just
modified.
fire.
I'm
Adam's
just using my
using the
strike.
Sling Fire, mine.
I'm just using my strike.
Oscar's using
9
the
volt,
Strike
9 volt strike with
9 volt modded with
This is just a stock strike.
Recon, is it?
Recon stock. Yeah,
Recon
but it's
stock,
reinforced recon stock.
Spectre barrel, and 18 clip.
Okay, so guys, with
Matthew's
and I'm also
using the
using
blaster
a
stock,
which
a
is
strife,
it
and
needs
an
to be
18
it needs to be
clip.
modded, and I've got more mags in my bag.
Josh,
Yeah.
get ready.
And
So,
I'm
Matt,
using
get your phone
Where's that
a strife
across that side.
with a red dot sight.
No shooting until we shout go, yeah?
Retaliator
Adam.
stock and an 18 clip.
Alright, awesome.
We've
But
got
then
4
clip it
minutes.
over to decreasing.
4 minutes grace, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So get ready to press it.
3.
I'm
No,
out.
wait, he needs to get it on. We should have probably prepared for this earlier, but yeah.
Yep.
4.
Look at the belly on
Make
that.
sure you
Three,
go to watch
two,
the video.
Look at the belly on that.
Go.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Brad, you with me? Brad, you with me?
Brad, you stay there.
Bye.
You need to run. Josh, we need to be at the back. Josh, you stay with them.
Josh, you gotta be over there, you know. Oh my god, he's such a retard. He's an idiot.
Alright, let's go. Sir.
Complete noob. Okay.
Hey, wait. Just put all the stuff in my bag today. I don't like them have a pocket. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. Nerf N1205. I always have another channel, a vlogging channel. Vlogs Live.
Called the retard vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, the retard.
You're
vlog.
retard.
I just swore.
My wallet's still in here. I want to put that, guys. Don't want to lose my money, do I?
Nope.
Alright,
No.
we still got like 2 minutes.
It's
grace
never
period.
gonna be good, guys. It's never gonna be good to lose your wallet.
We still got 2 minutes grace period.
Yeah. 2 minutes? We've just been running 2 minutes or something.
Ready?
Also, guys, I forgot to mention that I'm using my Elite Bandolier as well.
I'm just using a random strap that I have.
Yeah.
What?
You got that from Chad?
No, I didn't. I just had it in my party bag.
Did you? Oh. It used to be a Kaladi bag.
There could be anything from there.
I use that one.
I know you do.
It's really good. Make your fingers stick. Stick. It smells of chocolate. My fingers smell of chocolate.
2 minutes, 12 seconds.
I thought you said 10 seconds.
Yeah, let's go in there. They're most likely in there.
I got 16 gig on this micro SD.
Well, that's got nothing to do with the war.
I know it hasn't, but moving on. Let's go. We gotta move. Yeah. Sorry if the camera's bobbing up and down so much. It's because we're running. I'm running with the legs off. I'm gonna put my hoodie up. Hey Matt, you notice anything different about me?
No, you've grown a moustache.
I've shaved it. I've tidied myself.
Quiet, guys.
It's not my own picture, got a deal, don't I?
Go to McDonald's after this.
Yep.
I'll vlog.
Not ready? Battery's running a bit low. No, your battery.
50 seconds.
Or 60 seconds.
Okay.
Same thing. No, 50 seconds. It's 10 seconds off a minute. I do.
Oh, no one gives a shit. Oh, wait, stop. I hear them.
Bye-bye.
No. Put the camera away from me. Put the camera here. Don't shoot.
Can't see them. They're over there.
They're coming. I can see them. Ready? You ready?
Of course I'm ready. I was born to be ready.
I got the 2 guns.
Nobody cares.
Let's go.
I already have.
That was good.
You need to run off now. You need to run off now.
I need to pick up my darts.
Okay, you need to pick up your darts and then run off.
No, you need to go back to your spawn point.
No, we don't go back to our spawn point.
Help me pick up darts.
You
Hey.
can't shoot us now until you're gone. Pass it over to me. Oh, don't help him.
Hey, go on, you jammed it already. Oh my god, this is what I have to put up with school.
Okay, guys. Run away!
So I got it.
Got it.
Look at the
Brad,
face,
you
look
need
at
to
that
run away,
face.
yeah?
Hello! Go on, man.
Play YouTube, mock the gamer here, back on the
Oh,
video
sure.
here.
That was my old channel.
Yeah, so he's not
Leave.
new to YouTube, guys.
Please.
He lied.
What?
You need to go.
Yeah, when
Read
he's got his darts.
Fuck.
Go.
Fuck. Where's that answer?
Wait, guys.
I was just mowing everybody down. This is cool. You should just shoot me.
Oh, no, that was quite fun. Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Is it silver?
Guys,
No.
you need to go now.
Sure?
Yeah.
Go where?
Yeah? Go back somewhere away from us because you've shot us and now it doesn't count. It doesn't count.
Okay, we've got to go to our next point, so...
I mean, it's a pretty good kill.
I just killed everybody.
I killed Adam and Josh and Oscar.
I killed Oscar.
I killed Oscar as well. After you shot him, I shot him as well.
I just mowed him down.
We're like, don't do.
Like, do. LOL. Like the Terminator.
Hey, guys. We just mowed some people down.
You just
What? Oh, right, okay. Guys, pretty if you like Nerf, if you have jams with a clear mag, just do this because normally the darts are like all up to here and rubbing against the plastic. Just bang it on the back of it. That'll make the darts all go to the back.
those.
So that way it can jam less.
Tell me if it's not. It's one less.
One more.
One more. Okay. That's the best thing about having spare mag. You just reload quick. I'm reloaded. I'm ready to rock and roll.
Alright, we need to. Should we do this way? No, there's too many factors there.
Let's go. Take them from behind.
Yeah, I'll go around this way.
Bye every time. Ow! Sticks. Sticks and stones may break my bones. The world's will hurt me. Pigeon. What's that? Wow. Look what I just found in the woods. Saints Row. For PA Station 3. So who would break that? Why? Hey Matt, look what I just found. Do you got PlayStation 3? Well, I know Oscar has. Hasn't he? I want Saints Row. What do you want Saints Row? I just found it in the woods.
Yeah, give it to Oscar.
I just found it on the floor. I was just gonna say, I'll give you a compromise. I bought you a birthday present. Oscar, I bought you a birthday present. Stay low.
Stay low and stay frosty.
Come on. Oscar, I bought you a birthday present. Matrix, bitch. Oscar, I bought you a birthday present. It's Saints Row. It's actually Saints Row. It's not, I just found it on the floor.
A copy of Saints Row.
Yeah. It broke a note.
I don't think it'd work.
It won't work, no.
That's been burnt through.
I
To
know.
do that blow thing where it makes a big.
Don't do that, Oscar.
You're not gonna use it.
No, do this.
Oh, sick! That's not forever. Oh yeah, we're still recording.
Yeah, we're still recording.
Magnus!
Ooh. Who wants Saints Row? Literally, that Saints Row disc just went flying. I just frisbeed it. Right, I'm gonna flank round. Try and get through here. Start getting stung by nettles and spawns and stuff. Ow. This is probably a bad idea. Okay guys, we're over here. If you can see that. Right over there. Now we'll get surprise button. So when they come in here.
He had a dart jammed in there, so I used my knife to get it out, but no.
Hold this and recorders.
It's recording.
Hello, we are
Point
currently
it at me.
experiencing technical difficulties.
Please stay tuned. You shot me in the dick.
We've got like
Oh my god, you completely shredded the dart.
3 14-year-olds.
And me?
Versus one 13-year-old.
Are you 13?
Yes,
I thought you were 12.
I'm
13
13.
and a pussy.
13 and a pussy.
So you're
14 and a
14? 14,
Josh here
13,
Josh
14.
here is a pretty pussy.
Is it fixed,
13.
Brad? Stop firing my darts. Thank you. We are sorry about the shouting, readers. Or listeners, or whatever you are.
Down, no.
Yes, you are. Pussy cookie down.
Okay. Reloading. Don't shoot me down.
do you have
For
your
this
gun back?
round, I'm just gonna be reliable
Dude,
and use
I'm
my
getting my gun back.
my trusty ham shot.